Namaste and Swaagatam. Welcome everyone. I am Barsa Basnet, Nepali language tutor. I have been teaching Nepali since 7 years to foreigners of different countries. I am very excited to teach Nepali language here. So without any delay, let's get started with the first session of part 1. Let's start our class with different greetings. And once again, Swaagatam. Welcome. Abhibaadan. Abhibaadan means greeting in Nepali. Abhibaadan. Abhibaadan. First way of greeting is saying Namaste. Namaste. I think many of you already know this word, but let's get started with this word again. Namaste, which means hello and goodbye. Good morning. Subha prabhaat. Subha prabhaat. So after repeating every word, I will pause for 4 to 5 seconds so that you can repeat after me. I'm giving you 4 to 5 seconds to practice and repeat after me. Once again, let's practice good morning. Subha prabhaat. Very good. Let's move on to the next greeting. Subha diuso. Subha diuso, which means good afternoon. Subha diuso. Yes, you are right. It's Subha diuso. Subha sandhya. Subha sandhya, which means good evening. Subha sandhya. Good night. Subha raatree. Subha raatree. Very good. Now let's move ahead. Now let's learn how to ask what is your name in Nepali. Tapaaeeko naam ke ho. Here, Tapaaeeko means your, naam means name, ke means what, is means ho. So always remember, in English we have the structure subject plus verb plus object, but when we speak it in Nepali, the verb is always at the end of the sentence, which means subject plus object plus verb structure is followed in Nepali language. What is your name? Tapaaeeko naam ke ho? Tapaaeeko naam ke ho? How to say your name in Nepali? Mero naam and your name ho, where Mero means my, name means naam, ho means is. So ho once again is a helping verb, is goes at the end of a sentence. For example, Mero naam Barsa Basnet ho. Mero naam Barsa Basnet ho. Now please try on your own putting your name. That's great. Now let's move ahead. After saying your name, you might want to ask the opposite partner's name. For this, you can use the short phrase Ani tapaaeeko? Ani tapaaeeko? Ani means and, yours means tapaaeeko. So when you are asking back, you don't need to say tapaaeeko naam ke ho. You can say the short phrasal question, which is Ani tapaaeeko? Ani tapaaeeko? Now let's practice. Abhyas. This is the practice conversation where I am representing as black bullet and you have to respond as red bullet. So we will only use the sentences and the phrases we have just learned. So let's begin. Namaste, Subha prabhaat, Tapaaeeko naam के हो? मेरो नाम वर्षा बस्नेत हो. Did you reply this answer? If yes, congratulations. Now you are able to greet and ask name in Nepali language. If not, do not worry. You can go back and watch this video once again and practice it. Please always remember, practice makes man perfect. And the language is all about practicing. Now let's learn how to say, how are you? Or are you fine? Tapaaee sanchai hunuhunchha? Tapaaee sanchai hunuhunchha? Now you might wonder how to reply this. So let's go ahead and learn. I am fine. Ma sanchai chhu. Here, ma means I, sanchai means fine, chhu means am. So again, do not forget. Verb in Nepali language always goes at the end of the sentence. Ma sanchai chhu. Ma sanchai chhu. Very good. Now let's learn how to say thank you. It's Dhanyabaad. Dhanyabaad. Some people also say Dhanyabaad, but both means same. Dhanyabaad. Now you have to ask back, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? So for how are you, you don't have to use the same phrase Tapaaee sanchai hunuhunchha. You can use the short phrasal question, which is ani Tapaaee, ani Tapaaee. Now here, because the question starts with Tapaaee sanchai hunuhunchha with the personal pronoun, so your phrasal question also becomes ani Tapaaee, ani Tapaaee. But in the case of what is your name, Tapaaeeko naam ke ho, the question is started with possessive form of you, Tapaaeeko. So your phrasal question also becomes ani Tapaaeeko. So please remember, whenever we are forming phrasal question, it depends whether our question is starting from personal pronoun or possessive pronoun. Personal pronoun means I, you, whereas possessive pronouns means mine, your. In Nepali, it is ma, which means I, Mero, which means my, Tapaaee, you, Tapaaeeko, your. Now, how to answer back this question? Ma pani sanchai chhu. I'm fine too. Here, ma means I, pani means too or also, sanchai means fine, chhu means am. Ma pani sanchai chhu. Ma pani sanchai chhu. Now please repeat after me. Ma pani sanchai chhu. Very good. Now let's learn how to say nice to meet you. It is Tapaaeelaae bhetera khusi laagyo. Tapaaeelaae bhetera khusi laagyo. It means nice to meet you. Please follow after me. Tapaaeelaae bhetera khusi laagyo. Great. Now let's say, me too. Malaae pani. Malaae pani. Malaae means me, pani means too. Malaae pani. Yes, you are right. Malaae pani. Now, let's say goodbye. Namaste. Namaste. Nepalese people also tend to say namaste whenever you meet at first and whenever you are departing at last. You can also say namaste, bye-bye, or just namaste. Very good. See you again. Pheri bhetaulaa. Pheri bhetaulaa. Pheri means again. See you means bhetaulaa. Pheri bhetaulaa. Very good. Time for practice. Abhyas. Once again, I will be representing black bullet and you have to answer in the place of red bullet. And we are using all those things we have just learned. Let's begin. तपाईं सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? म पनि सन्चै छु. मलाई पनि. फेरि भेटौँला. Did you say this in the place of red bullet? If so, congratulations. If not, please go back to the video and practice again. So let's see the conversation. तपाईं सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? म सन्चै छु. अनि तपाईं? म पनि सन्चै छु. नमस्ते. तपाईंलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. मलाई पनि. फेरि भेटौँला. फेरि भेटौँला. Let's review all of the words, sentences and questions we have covered in session 1 of part 1. Namaste. Namaste. Subha prabhaat. Subha prabhaat. Subha diuso. Subha diuso. Subha sandhya. Subha sandhya. Subha raatree. Subha raatree. मेरो नाम वर्षा बस्नेत हो. मेरो नाम वर्षा बस्नेत हो. तपाईको नाम के हो? तपाईको नाम के हो? तपाईलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. तपाईलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. तपाई सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? तपाई सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? म सन्चै छु. म सन्चै छु. फेरि भेटौँला. फेरि भेटौँला. Congratulations everyone. You are now at the end of session 1 of part 1. Congratulations to all those who have memorized and are able to greet in Nepali and do a short conversation in Nepali. And for all those students who are still having some problem with sentence structure and vocabulary, please go through the video once again and practice. Practice makes man perfect. So do not hesitate to go back and practice it again and make your Nepali language fluent in an easier way. Thank you. See you in the next session. Did you enjoy the video? If yes, please do enroll in our course using the link given below in the description box. You will get 13% off by clicking on the link below, and this course will be very easier for those who want to learn Nepali in Roman Nepali and for those also who want to learn Nepali in real easy way. So without any delay, do visit the link below and enroll in our class right now. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.